Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with a brand new tablet. Samsung just announced at IFA the Galaxy Tab S11, and this is the smaller model. They also have a huge model, the Ultra. Well, this one has a pretty slim, I would say, chassis, 5.5 millimeters. It weighs below 500 grams, better said 496 grams. It's made of aluminum, and you can tell from the antenna cutouts we're getting both Wi-Fi and 5G. Now, if you're on the 5G version, the starting price is around 1,000 euros, which is quite pricey. By the way, you also have here a keyboard cover of sorts, accessory, with this pretty, I would say, soft keys, good for journalists and all that. I don't have a stylus available for it here. The Ultra version has a stylus tethered to it. Now, let's talk about the device. Apparently, for some reason, Samsung has fallen in love with MediaTek. Aside from using Snapdragons on some products and Exynos's, this one actually employs a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. Runs on Android 16 with One UI 8.0 and 7 years of Android updates, which is actually not bad. Unlike the freshly unveiled S25 FE phone, this one has 12 gigs of RAM as well as 120 gigabytes of storage. You can also get more storage, 256, 512, and even it has a micro SD card slot, which is actually quite cool. The screen is an 11-inch AMOLED. The screen is an 11-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus 120Hz panel, and camera-wise, we have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera here, which is good enough for Zoom calls and all that rather than selfies. At the back side, a 13-megapixel shooter with LED flash, a singular. And even though the camera is, the tablet is so skinny, it comes with an 8,400 mAh battery with 45-watt charging. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, S Pen support, Samsung DeX support, Android 16. Now, the smart features are here. And aside from the smart features, you can of course use circle to search, so you can actually recognize what's on the screen, courtesy of Google. You can ask about the image, learn more about it, do follow-up questions, and of course there should also be Gemini available. Keep this pressed. Gemini and Gemini Live are part of the package. You can ask it questions, show it your camera feed, and also share the screen with it. Aside from that, there is of course, as I said before, Galaxy AI, which for example should help you with drawing assist. So if you want to draw something, you can input words or just draw something rudimentary and will be converted into what you want to draw. So if I do this, okay, horrible hair for a person, would be identified and generated as a sort of drawing sketch. For now, you can do pop art, you can do illustration, you can do watercolor. This is the watercolor version. It has pig ears for some reason. Okay, so that's the artistic part. You also have writing assist. So have your text here. You can actually press here or use the stylus. Let me just do it. Hopefully it works this time around. Oh, okay. You can press the AI button and you can correct the spelling and grammar, change the writing style, summarize, bullet points, and even have a composer for your social media posts, as well as, I don't know, emails if you want to ask for a holiday for your boss and more. Actually, you have to select more to properly get a summary out of it. So, yeah. And you do here, you get summarize. Of course, you can record your voice and achieve a summary and translation of an interview between you and someone. This is the summary feature, and things go on. You also have note assist, which is this one here, and here you're going to have to tap at the top side. Features include auto format, summarize, spelling and grammar, and of course you can translate the whole thing into a language of your choosing. You can generate translation, English, German. We're in Germany here. You can also split the screen and do the whole work like this. Of course, you can also select one of your videos. For example, you go to the videos, go to this one here, press AI, and you'll be able to remove the noise from it or the music, or increase the volume of the voice. For example, if you're a vlogger, that's very important. You can dodge copyright strikes by removing the background music. This is the brand new Galaxy Tab S11 tablet from Samsung, 11-inch, quite compact format, and I have good expectations from its AI features.